Good morning, everyone. This is PHC Trader. Bonjour à tous, PHC Trader. We're live, May 28, 2025. Market just opened, the Nasdaq. You've got the 15, 60 minutes in front of us. Let me put my bar telling us that we're live. We got ATR of 10. Not that good. We want it to be above 20 before we start trading. Let's look at the what happened overnight. Opened up yesterday, went pretty straightforward, moving up. We're above the 50 VWAP 21.9. Okay, we have a pivot right above us, right there. Okay. All right. I've got one account I want to bring back up. I'm at 25,735. I want to bring it up to 26 hopefully today. $11.49 my ATR. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11. Okay, what do we see on the 5 minutes? Moving up a little bit, but I got this pivot right here. Right. 21,529. 21,529. Yeah. This is a pivot. It's not really what I should want. Let's see. I'm going to put it to a different message. Solid. That's a it's not a pivot. It's the I'm clicking on it right now. Uh-oh, something's going on with my computer. The red, this is prior week high. Prior week high. I don't know, I don't see it. See guys on the 5 minutes, 15 and 1 hour. I'm hitting my last week high. So we gotta pass that. That's bizarre though that I don't see it here. Prior week. Seven, apply. I don't know. In my heart. 9:40 almost. $13.01. Not that good. Not that good. $54 degrees outside on May 28th, Jersey. Could be an exhaustion candle right here. We can wait a little bit. 14.5. Let's see, I want to see the 15 again. 15. We're pretty much at the highest we were for a while. On o più connected di più buttare. Okay, guys. This is a 5-minute trading view. Trading view. All right. Uh, 59. Okay. Okay, we haven't been that high since. Okay, we can still go back up. $15. We just closed. Look at the 15-minute chart. We just closed above. Just closed. We got the view up going up. The 50, the 20, the 9. This is my 15-minute range right now. This is going back down. The 20, the 50, 21, the 50. 13, 14. Not a good place to take a trade. See, that's 21, 18, 3 points. I'm doing the 5. And I'm doing, okay. I like the ATR to be a little bit higher. This is the 105 here, which is a 21 here on a 5 minute. dash line here, hash dash is a prior close. This is VWAP right here. We went below VWAP, went below hash dash prior high. Right here. This is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Across, hopefully we cross the six, 7, 8. This is the bouncing on the prior close. A lot of traffic here. Prior close bouncing on top here. Same prior close. Very long wick. Solid here.
Order submitted. Target filled.
I got 110 here. I think it's gonna go back up, maybe. Should touch this here. Gotta be patient. It was a little risky because of prior close hash dash line. This is a prior close, so I entered here knowing it would go back up, but the wick was long enough that I thought I could maybe get my 3 points, which I was able to get. Donc ici je suis descendu tout de suite après ma boîte ici. Ma boîte ici. Je suis rentré ici et je suis sorti ici. 110. Le wick était assez long that I knew that by entering here I would have enough space to get my 2.75 points. That's how I figured. But I also knew that it was going to go back up, revisit, because this dash here, this is the hash dash prior close. Each time I break my neck, it's because my box is not properly drawn. Look, 6, 0, there's 5 bars. 1, 5, 5 bars. 6, 0, 5 bar. 1 to 6, it's going to be 5 to 5, it's going to be, yeah, just like here, 1 to 5 to 5. I would like the market to move either up or down, you know, not stay where it is right now. We're at the bottom of the opening range. This is the top of the opening range, the top 15 minutes. See the 41, 40, okay, the 45. The first 15 minutes, the highest candle was right here, and the lowest was right here. That's why I've got those ash dash yellow line showing me my opening range. This is the 1000 here, which is the 200 on the 5. $21,466. ATR 16.7 went up a little bit. This is the 15-minute chart. Looks like we're pretty straight consolidation type of situation right now. Riding the yeah, we're riding the opening range, the bottom line. Look, we have a cross. We have a cross right here. We've got the 21, the 50, and the yellow. The 21 is below the 50s, and then the yellow. So everything looks like we're going down. We have a longer wick here. We got the news coming up in 4 minutes. Let's see what kind of news we got. That's today's news Wednesday. Manufacturing at 10. Alright. Going down. Aggressive. It's going to 200. That may be it. My experience is when you have a candle like this that touches the 200, here it's a 1000, okay? The following candle doesn't even go, like this one didn't even go down a little bit. Because it's already touched it. For some reason, if the wick would have stopped right here, if this wick went all the way here, I think I would have had a better chance that this candle open here and goes down. Maybe at least to there, or max to there. But since this wick went all the way down and touched the 200, the 1000 here, that's the 1000. And this candle open here, it basically didn't even travel at all downward. So what I'm saying here is when I see a wick that goes from here and touches the main, like this is a 1000, I'm not going to attempt to take a trade. Yesterday I lost 60 bucks and I stopped. I revisited overnight and tried to do it again, you know, with the history after downloading the day. And I was getting $300-$400. I think I was just too afraid for some reason, too cautious. On dirait que hier, j'ai perdu $60, mais j'ai revisité ce que j'ai fait en téléchargeant ma journée et en utilisant les history comme un recap. Puis j'ai été chercher $300-$400. C'est vraiment dans l'état que j'étais, mon état d'esprit qui est... J'étais trop prudent. Il y a une fine ligne entre la prudence et ne rien faire. C'est ça qui est difficile aussi à traverser. It's kind of difficult to be cautious, but at the same time not to be too cautious, because if you're too cautious, you're not getting anywhere. You're not making any money. Especially when you're in a situation like this, when you have all these moving average here and all these lines. Basically makes it very hard to take a plunge to go into a trade. Excuse me. We check here and that's a 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's a 1 perfect. You gotta check those boxes, guys. Never say it enough. Je ne dirai jamais assez, il faut toujours faire nos boîtes. One box includes 5 candles, which is equivalent to 1 candle on the 5 minutes. Right? And if you do those boxes, well, that's my strategy. Hein? C'est ma stratégie en faisant ces boîtes-là. Une boîte comprend une chandelle qui équivaut à une chandelle de 5 minutes. Non, c'est ma boîte de 1 minute. I went on a trip and I came back sick as a dog. I had to take some antibiotics. Now I'm alright. This is a downtrend, right? With this big line, yellow line here. So I'm not going to it. Je veux pas aller à l'encontre de ma trendline. À moins que je vois, unless I see the yellow crossing the 21. Si je vois la 9 qui traverse la 21, peut-être j'irai vers le haut. Mais ma trendline, c'est la chartreuse. Couleur chartreuse me dit que je m'en vais vers le bas, donc je vais essayer de prendre des trades seulement qui se dirigent vers le bas. Jusqu'à date, on a arrêté ici. We stopped at this level here. The next level would be 21,447. Difficult here to trade. Difficult up here to trade. We're below our opening range. It's time to cross our hands, arms. No trading for now. Five. From here, 162. Got 10 points here. Would you take a trade? If it closed here to there, maybe. ATR is at 16. Not great. I'm at 25,800. I need $800 to pass. I see the blue here going down a little bit. But I got a big wick. They're pushing up. Okay, guys, 15 minutes. We bounce back the 50. But we're below the VWAP. We close below the VWAP. We need to get our backside up. Seven 15.77 ATR, not great, not bad. All right. Still traveling sideways. See, this is very tight here. 66 points. I'm not trading this. Je vais pas faire le trade ici, même si ça avait fermé ici en bas. It's too tight. I want to pass this. I want to pass this 1,000. Look on the 5 minutes. Keep touching the 9. When we touch this, I could enter and then exit real quick. Quick scalp. Know what I mean? If I did a scalp, let's say I entered here 84. That's 10 points. I can really go and get a lot of money. Easy little scalp move. See, because si on regarde ici, it's 76 to 63. That's 10, that's 13 points. That's 206, that's $500. This one, this candle here. C'est $500 cette chandelle ici avec 2 contrats. It's probably going to go up now, but again, unless I've got a 9 crossing the 21. Are we going to go down 10, 20, 10, 17? All right, guys. What time is it? 10:19 a.m. Consolidating. Something's gonna happen soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 candles. 6. Alright, guys, alright. Consolidation, nothing is going on right now. This stick here, wick, just touched. Alright, big change now. I'm not taking it, this is a 1000. It took so long to go through it, and now look, if I took it, I would be waiting, nervous. Because it could go back up, it could go down. You know, when you see something like this, you're just going to wait. On va juste attendre parce que ici, c'est la 1000. On a passé finalement en travers, mais on ne sait pas dans quelle direction ça va aller. Ça pourrait continuer à aller vers le bas, comme on a vu ici. Si j'avais pris, je serais allé chercher mon 2.75. Mais du fait qu'elle est si forte comme ça, je vais attendre. Et peut-être la continuation. So I'm just going to wait and maybe the continuation after this. But I'm just glad that it broke down. Je suis content qu'elle ait cassé la 1000. Ça, c'est bien. Okay. Look at the 5 minutes. Look at the 15 minutes. Excuse me, guys. Pardon. $10.23. One trade. Took it right here. Let me show you. I went right here and got out right there. It was for this one here. Well, this square there, but now everything moved up. So it went down, but then when it back up. We're still in a downtrend, you can see. If I draw a line. Okay, 2, 4, 5. This is my box again. We're going down slowly. Lower high, lower high, lower high. We're touching the 21. Right? We've passed the 9th. Touching, looks like it's flattening right here. On dirait que ça devient plus plat. See, since we touched the 200 on the 5 minutes, we're getting more flat. We get some wicks pushing up. We may have a reversal here. Maybe not. That's a nice big candle. See, we're passing through the 1000, no problems now, so that's not an issue anymore. Okay, maybe it's showing some support. Peut-être que ça montre un peu de support ici. See, we never close below the 200 on the 5 minutes. Okay. Grinding down. Let's see which one I could have got. I got this one here. This one, no, I wouldn't have got that one. No. This one I could have got. So I could have got those two. All right. Make sure I start with a 1, 6. Scalping. See on the 1 hour, that could be a bull flag. That's see, this is a it's very tight. Three minutes, see if it's gonna close below. You could wait. See here, you want to this candle here to close, let's say here. We got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. If it closes below, then maybe it's going to go down. It did close below here, which is good news. Touching the 21. Two minutes. Two minutes. See guys, what's going on now? Hmm. 1 minute 20 seconds. Went all the way down here. Went all the way down here. Then went back up. Hmm. So it touches this one here and goes back up. I'm not trading there. 3 minutes. We may be able to do it. Very long candles.
Order submitted.
Fuck me. Fuck me. I could have got it. It's gonna go back down. fucking